Okay.
Will you campaign for Pastor Kibuloy, who is now running for Senate or Senator?
Oo. All throughout the magtakbo ahead. Basta ba si Pastor? Last time, sabi niya, nagplano siya. Matagal kasi akong tulog. Aywan ko lang kung anong tingin ng tao, ha? Baka ganun-ganun lang. But Pastor is a reservoir ng maraming alam sa buhay. Ganun ang ganun sa Pastor, but Pastor is a very keen observer sa buhay ng tao. Very bright. He would be an asset to the country. And I hope that when ngayon nag-announce na siya, I am announcing my full support. And I will campaign for him all throughout the country.